The morning I saw the construction trucks, I thought they were lost. 12 of them stood by my lake. My lake. The same water my father left me. The same land my family protected for generations. But what I saw next didn't feel like a mistake. It felt planned. Within weeks, wooden frames rose from the ground, then walls, then glass windows, luxury cabins, 12 of them, lined the edge of my private property like they had always belonged there. I walked straight to the HOA office, confused but calm. I showed them my deed, my documents, everything. They didn't even look surprised. Instead, the president leaned back in her chair and said, "That lake is now designated as a shared HOA common area. You should have read the updated community plan." Updated? I never agreed to anything. I went back home, but it didn't feel like home anymore. Strangers walked along my lake, families took photos, kids threw stones into water that carried my childhood memories. And the worst part? Every single cabin was already sold. That night I sat in silence, staring at the reflection of those cabins in the water. Something didn't add up. The boundaries, the speed, the confidence. So I dug deeper. City records, old maps, zoning approvals. And then I found it. The HOA had filed the development under land that didn't exist. A duplicate parcel number. A legal illusion. They didn't just ignore my ownership, they tried to erase it. The next morning, I didn't go to the HOA. I went to court. Within days, everything changed. Inspectors showed up, then lawyers, then officials from the city who looked more nervous than anyone I had ever seen. Because this wasn't just a mistake anymore. It was fraud. And the HOA? They didn't just lose the case. They lost everything. Fines stacked into millions. Criminal charges followed. The same president who dismissed me stood silent in court, unable to defend what they had done. But the real twist? I didn't ask for the cabins to be destroyed. I kept them. Legally transferred back to me. 12 luxury cabins, now mine. And that common area lake, it returned to what it always was. Private, untouched, protected, because in the end they didn't just try to take my land. They built my future on it. If you liked this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with others so they can learn something from it too.